Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to manually add data to your health apps at your iPhones. Health app automatically keeps tracking your steps, walking, running, body measurements, heart rate and other activities. In addition to this information, the health app also allow you to enter data manually. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your health app. Now down the bottom you can see a option browse. Simply tap at browse. Now tap at activity. Now page my screen, you can see bunch of different activities. Now if you want to edit any activity, simply tap at this activity. For example, we are going to edit steps. Simply tap at steps, and appears at the top you can see added data. Simply tap at here. Now add your data and type at add. Like this, you can easily edit your data manually to your health apps. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.